Sun rises and sets gratefully. Clouds fly and rain peacefully. Birds sing and swing the wings charmingly. Earth moves around the sun systematically. I am wondered in the nature how the system is set. All the nature starts and says Allah, Allah, and just Almighty Allah. Respected chief guest, honorable staff, worthy juries, and all the audience sitting here, Assalamu alaikum. Today I found a very critical issue on drug is cursed. Mr. President, drug is the opposite of this charming nature, where it disconnects person with mass and this world. It is cursed that ends a person's experience of death in life. Once it involves a person, it takes to death and heart to re-exit. My Lord, I am worried. I am worried in saying that according to the research of 2020, Pakistan has gotten 6.7 million drug users. More than 4 million of these are addicts, among the highest number for any country in the world. And yes, every drug is started with a record. Yes, every drug is started with a record. Ladies and gentlemen, drug harms the body and mind. A person loses his nervous system and can't understand anything just for the sake of drugs, even though he starts to steal his own house. Moreover, he starts criminal activity. At the end, he buys a worse house in a garbage or in a canal. No family, no respect, no money, no health, no cloth, no house, no religion, begging and stealing. Is this a lie, my Lord? Is this a lie? Even though they openly thunder of us, can't we do anything for them to be let them die? My Lord, drug use is a life abuse. Drug user is a loser. Drugs are like a hole that drains your soul. Don't be insane. Drugs raise the brain. Drugs are not cool. They make you fool. Don't puff. Keep away from this stuff. Drug use is a disease. No excuse. My Lord, drug is a poison that kills your ambition. So please say no to drugs. At last, I conclude my speech with these golden words. The future belongs to those who know the beauty of their dream. That's all. Thank you.
टीवी बलूचिस्तान पर सनसनी खेज, दिलचस्प, मज़ाहिया, नए गज़ल, सियासी इंटरव्यूज, बलूचिस्तान के तारीखी मकामात और साइल वसाइल पर डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल यूट्यूब पर जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें। और हाँ, वीडियो देखने से पहले साइड में घंटी के निशान पर जरूर अंगूठा लगाएं।